Hi Carl, this is my Conrail Atlas SD45. Just wanted to show you how the sound decoder is installed on this. Let's set this up here. I need a Alright, I'm just gonna have to hold this. Hold on. And this is not focusing. Alright, I don't know what's wrong with this camera. So I put the speaker, good God. Put the speaker in back and I milled out the back half of the frame. There we go. I milled out the back half of the frame. That you can see there. There's an 8x12 sugar cube speaker and the ESU Loksound in the back there. Routed wires up to the front for a headlight, and there's a bank of 4 330 microfarad capacitors up in front. Probably could do more capacitors in the middle there, but it's running fine as is. There's no backup light yet, but I plan to do that this week. There you go. Enjoy.